Scratchers! Time to test your aim. Welcome back to Codex Academy. Today, we are building an epic bottle breaker game in Scratch. Learn how to throw, smash bottles, score points, and add awesome game effects with fun Scratch coding tricks. So, are you ready to become the ultimate bottle breaking champion? Let's jump into Scratch and start breaking. Let's go and make the game. So first, delete the Sprite cat because we don't want it. Go to paint a backdrop. I'll delete this first backdrop. Convert to bitmap. I'll take one shade up and down one. For the down one, I'll take red. And for the up, I'll take yellow. Okay. Now, over here is our backdrop. Is it looking nice? I think you said yes. Or you can name it backdrop. Now go to codes. Choose a sprite. I'll search a sprite called Pedo. Okay. Pedo is here. Go to costumes. And now we can change its color if you want. For the outside, I will take, like gold. This, okay. And inside part, I'm going to take bright yellow. So I'll keep this. Okay. Looking nice. Now go to codes, start coding. First, we'll do the movement of this. For that, when flag clicked, looks, show. After show, motion, set rotation style to left and right. Because we'll make the pedal move from the mouse pointer and it will move left and right. That is why. Also, you can select this left and right here too, if you want. After set rotation style to left and right, go to X and Y, go to X0 and Y minus 160. After this, control forever loop. Motion. Point towards mouse pointer. Point towards mouse pointer and it will move left and right, left and right. After this, move 10 steps, set Y to the same minus 160 and then if on edge, bounce. So the whole code is full of motion blocks. Okay. Now let's see the movement. 3, 2, 1 and go. Oh, it's moving. Nice. Now we will take one more sprite called the ball. Okay. Now go to its costume. It has so many costumes. I need only one. I'll take yellow for now because I will change the color of it too. I will take fill color light blue. Okay, light blue looks good. Nice. Now go to codes and I'll change its size to 40. Okay. Let's do the movement of the ball now. First, when flag click, that is always, looks, scroll down, show. After this show, go to motion and take point in direction. So point in direction 45, then go to X0, Y0. After this, it has to wait 1 second. And after wait 1 second, forever loop. Motion, move 10 steps and then if on edge, bounce. Now see the effect, how it will work. 3, 2, 1 and start. Oh, it's moving. Okay. Oh, nice. And the pedal is also moving fast. Perfect. After this, now we want if the ball touch the pedal, then also it will bounce. So for that, control if then sensing, touching, pedal. Then what? Then events, broadcast message 1 and wait 1. So the new message is going to be bounce. Means it will bounce after the message is broadcasted. Bounce and okay. So now when I receive bounce, then motion, point in direction, operators, minus, motion, take direction and put it over here. I'll show you by making it big. And in the first one, write pointing direction 180 minus direction. So now I'll tell you the math over here. I want the direction 135. So over here we have point in direction 45. So 180 minus 45 is equal to 135. And after this, control, repeat until. Operators, not, sensing, touching, pedal. Means repeat this code which we are going to put until the ball will not touch the pedal. So in this motion, move 10 steps. And now I'll show you the effect. Okay. Oh, it bounced when it touched to the pedal. Nice. Amazing. It's looking good, right? Now I'll take a Sprite which I'll upload. And now I'll take this bottle and broken bottle. First I'll take this bottle, open. It is over here. I'll change the size to 50. Costumes, and now I'll upload a costume, that is the broken bottle. And I feel like this broken bottle size is too much, so I'll select it and make it shorter from here. Okay, go to codes, and now we are going to set its position, where it will be and on which position. So for that, first when flag clicked, looks, switch costume to bottle because we want this costume at the first. And now we are going to make a variable. So I'll rename my variable to points. The new variable is points. Okay, make this show points. And after switch costume to bottle, set points to 0. And after set points to 0, looks, scroll down, hide. Then stay on looks and set size to 50%. After this, motion, go to X, I want this position. So I'll set Y to 135 and X to minus 200. So after this, go to control and take repeat block. So repeat 4 because the 4 number are for the columns. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. And inside this repeat 4, take one more repeat block. That is going to be repeat 7. And 7 is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now inside the repeat 7, go to control, scroll down and take create clone of myself. Means it will create the clone of the bottle. After create clone of myself, motion, change X by 65 and then in the repeat 4, outside the repeat 7, set X to minus 200 means the X position that is before over here, and change Y by minus 70. And now control, when I start as a clone, looks, show. So over here when it will repeat 7, it will create clone of itself. Now see the effect, how it will work. Oh, they are here. Looking nice, right? And it's taking most of the space. So many of the bottle will be crashed together, right? Now we will do the part in which the points will be changed when the ball will touch them and the costume will be changed to broken bottle. So for that, control forever loop, if then, sensing, touching ball, touching ball, then events broadcast bounce again, because when it will touch one bottle, then also it should bounce, right? After broadcast bounce, looks, switch costume to broken bottle, and here comes wait 1 second. Instead of wait 1 second, 0.5 seconds. Then variables, change points by 1, and after that, control and delete this clone. And now we will go to bow, choose a sound, delete the other sounds, and I'll take glass breaking. So this is an interesting sound when the glass will break. Glass break. Okay, it is here. Now I'll make it softer because it's too much loud. Now do you want to hear the sound? Here is it. Now go to codes. And now we'll do the coding. Zoom more so that you can see it properly. Events, when flag clicked. Control, forever, if then. Sensing, touching bottle. Means if it will touch the bottle, then. Sounds, glass breaking until done. Perfect. Now see the effect. 3, 2, 1 and start. Oh, broke. Together, so many. 18, 19, 20. And the points are also increasing. Wow. Bounced. Bounce again. And one more. One last. Okay. Oh, broke. Okay. And yes, we got 28 points when all the bottles were gone, because the number of bottles were 28. 7 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. So now we are going to create the game over and you win. Before that, I'll tell you the logic why the game over and you win is there. Like over here our points is 28 and all the bottles are gone. Then it will be you win. And if the ball will go below minus 160 y position, then it will be game over. Okay? Now go to backdrops. I'll duplicate this. If you want the same backdrop, you can take. But I want to delete it. And now I'll take fill and take a new color. One will be white. Down one. I will see if I can do blue. Okay, this is perfect. Now I'll duplicate this. I'll write the text. Game over. And I'll select the font in marker. And the color will be red. Make it bigger. And now go to pedals. You can select this as a design. I'll group it and I need to select it again. Copy, paste. Put this over here. Select the bottle. Copy, backdrops, paste like this and put it over here. Now go to ball. Copy this and paste it. It will be bigger and put it over. So this is the design of it. And now you can copy it over here and in the U-bend you can paste it. I'll make it little shorter and made. Perfect. Now go to codes. We will do the U-win and game over code in ball. So first, when flag clicked, forever. If then, go to operators and take less than, motion Scroll down, Y position, put it in the first one. And where the 50 is written, write minus 159. Because the nearest number which is smaller than minus 160 is minus 159. Then control. Wait 0.5 seconds. Then events broadcast. New message called game over. Okay. Then looks. Scroll down. Hide. And then control. Stop all. Now duplicate this. Put it down. And delete this in the if then blank. Go to operators. Take greater than. And where the 50 is written, write 28. Variables points. If points is greater than 28, then wait 0.5 seconds. Broadcast new message. You win. Hide and stop all. Now go to backdrops. Events. When flag clicked. Looks. Switch backdrop. Name these. For this game over, I'll name it game over. And for this you win, I'll name it you win. Okay, now go to codes. Switch backdrop to backdrop. Then, when I receive, game over. Looks, switch backdrop to game over. Now sounds, delete this pop sound if you have. And now we are going to take two sounds. The first I will take when, softer. Okay. Now the next sound, loose. Okay. Softer again. Perfect. Now code, when I receive game over, play sound loose until done. Now duplicate this. Put it here. When I receive you win, switch backdrop to you win and play sound when. Now go to pedal and take when I receive game over. Then hide. Duplicate when I receive you win and hide. Now put this in bottle. Now the game over is here in the bottle. Now I'll put the you win. Put it here. Wait a minute. Let's check in the ball. Oh! The points is greater than 28. Instead of 28, put 27. Now 3, 2, 1 on big screen and play. Okay. Cracking. So many. 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, nice score. 25. Okay, 3 left. 25, 26. And the last one. And we win because we scored 28 points. And now let's play it again. Okay, cracking. The score is increasing. You can say score of points. And if the ball by mistakenly didn't touch the pedal, and it game over, seriously. And points were 25. 3 more to win. It's okay guys. That's it for today. I hope you understand and like this video. If you like, please like, subscribe, share to your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.